Okay, students, now question number 10 from the past paper of coordinate geometry. And it's a question of 970912 October, November 16. What we have in the question, the line this, where A and B are positive constants, intersects the X and Y axes at a point A and B. Right. Always try to make a sketch. Always try to make a sketch in the coordinate geometry questions. Now, the question is, a line intersects X or Y axis. A line intersects X or Y axis at point A and B. हमने तो ये सिर्फ स्केचिंग किया ना, कोई प्लॉटिंग तो की नहीं। हो सकता है डायग्राम सही ना हो सकता है ए नेगेटिव एक्स में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा हो या बी नेगेटिव वाई में इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा हो, लेकिन एक स्केच तो हम कर सकते हैं ना अपने आसानी के लिए। द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. First, I am calculating the coordinates of A. If I have to calculate the coordinates of A, then it means y is 0. And for B, x is 0 because B is intersecting y-axis and A is intersecting x-axis. At x-axis, y is 0 and at y-axis, x is 0. ऐसा ही. Now, in the equation, x over A, stop working, plus y over B equals to 1. When y is 0, it is x over A equals to 1 and the value of x is A. So the coordinate is A comma 0. Again, x over A plus y over B equals to 1. When x is 0, y over B equals to 1. The value of y is B. It means 0 comma B. These are the coordinates of A and B. Any confusion? No. The midpoint of AB. The midpoint of AB lies on a line 2x plus y equals to 10. The midpoint of AB lies on the line 2x plus y equals to 10. हमने एक midpoint बनाया, उसको एक line बना दी, इसको बनाया था. And the distance AB is 10. Find the values of A and B. We have to calculate the values of A and B. Are we able to calculate the coordinates of midpoint? Yes. For AB, the midpoint will be A plus 0 divided by 2 means A upon 2. B plus 0 divided by 2 means B upon 2. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. And midpoint lies on the line 2x plus y equals to 10. If a point lies on a line, then we are allowed to replace x and y of the line by the coordinate of that point, right? अगर एक पॉइंट किसी लाइन पर लाई कर रहा है तो उस लाइन की इक्वेशन के एक्स वाई को रिप्लेस किया जा सकता है उन कोऑर्डिनेट्स के थ्रू. सही है. तो जनाब, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स ऑफ मिड पॉइंट? a over 2. Can I say that at the place of x I am writing a over 2? And what is y? b over 2 equals to 10. कोई confusion? कोई problem? No. By taking LCM of 2, it is 2a plus b equals to 10 and 2a plus b equals to 20. This is, I am saying, equation 1. Any confusion? No. Another condition is given, AB equals to 10. सिर्फ AB लिखा हुआ है खाली, सिर्फ AB लिखा हुआ है, कुछ नहीं है. तो जब कुछ ना हो, सिर्फ AB लिखा हुआ है, तो इट मींस ये डिस्टेंस है. क्या है ये? डिस्टेंस. सो AB इक्वल्स टू 10. A और B का डिस्टेंस अंडर रूट y2 minus y1 b minus 0 whole square plus x2 minus x1, 0 minus a whole square equals to 10, squaring both the side. So b squared plus a squared equals to 100. Yes or no? That's great. So this is another equation. And now we have to solve them simultaneously for the values of unknown, right? From equation 1, b equals to 20 minus 2a. b equals to 20 minus 2a. I'm writing here 20 minus 2a whole square plus a squared equals to 100. 20 squared is 400 minus 2ab 80a plus b squared 4a squared plus a squared equals to 100. 4a squared plus a squared is 5a squared minus 80a plus 300 plus 300 equals to 0. Any confusion? Any confusion? Divide the whole equation by 5. Equation थोड़ी सी हल्की हो जाएगी. A squared minus 80 divided by 5 is 300 divided by 5 is 60. Equals to 0. अब यहां पर चाहे मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक करें, चाहे क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, चाहे मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक, चाहे क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और हमें ए की वैल्यूज कैलकुलेट करना है, राइट? तो द मिडिल टर्म ब्रेकिंग इज ए स्क्वायर माइनस 10a minus 6a plus 60 equals to 0. A common, a minus 10 minus 6 common, a minus 10 equals to 0. The two values of a are 10 and 6. So the values of b are 20 minus 20 0 and 20 minus 12 is 8. So these are the two values of a and b. Are you clear? Any confusion? Hopefully there is no confusion, right? So this is question number this is question number 10 of 6 marks. Now, question number 11. What we have in this question number 11, the question number 11 is 3 points A, it's 9709, paper 1-3, October November 16. 3 points A, B, C are such that B is the midpoint of AC. The coordinate of A are this, B are this. Find the coordinate of C in terms of M and N. B is the midpoint of AC. This is A. B is the midpoint of AC. This is C. And B is the midpoint. I'm just making a diagram, simple diagram, right? So find a coordinate of C in terms of M and N. C के coordinates in terms of M और N हमें देने हैं. Let's say this is AB. B is NN minus 6. A is 2N M. So now, the first part, what is the formula for midpoint? X equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. What is x? What is x? N equals to, what is x1? 2. What is x2? A divided by 2. The value of A is 2N minus 2. Clear? Y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. What is y? What is y1? What is y2? Divided by 2. The value of B is minus 12 minus M. Minus M minus, this is the value of B. Again, in terms of M or N, the coordinates of C. Any confusion? No. After that, the second part. The second part is the line y equal to x plus 1 passes through C and is perpendicular to AB. Passes through C and is perpendicular to AB. The equation of the line is y equals to x plus 1. We have to calculate the coordinates of M and N. We have to calculate the coordinates of two constants. And if we have to calculate the coordinates of two constants, then we need two equations. Means if number of unknowns equals to the number of equations, then we are able to calculate the value. और अगर number of equations कम हो जाए, number of variables ज्यादा हो जाए, हम calculate नहीं कर सके. आ रही है बात? तो जनाब हमें दो इक्वेशंस चाहिए, जरा देखते हैं. बेटा रेड वाली जो लाइन है y इक्वल्स टू एक्स प्लस 1, क्या इस पर पॉइंट सी लाई कर रहा है? ठीक हो गया. तो अभी आपको बताया कि अगर कोई पॉइंट लाइन पर लाई कर रहा हो तो वी आर अलाउड टू रिप्लेस लाइंस x एंड y बाय द कोऑर्डिनेट्स. हम रिप्लेस करते हैं जनाब. क्या हम y की जगह पर c के कोऑर्डिनेट -m-12 रख सकते हैं, इक्वल टू x की जगह पर c के कोऑर्डिनेट्स 2n-2 रख सकते हैं, +1. हमने क्या किया, y इक्वल्स टू x +1 में y की जगह y की वैल्यू, x की जगह x की वैल्यू. एनी कंफ्यूजन? नाउ 2n plus m -12 plus 1 is -11. So m plus 2n equals to -11. Equation 1. Any confusion? No problem? No. Do we have the gradient of AB? No. We don't have the gradient of AB. Do we have the gradient of AB? Check it. What is the gradient of AB? -1. Yes, we have the gradient of AB because the gradient of red line is, so the gradient of AB is -1 because they are perpendicular to each other. And if the lines are perpendicular, then the gradients are negative reciprocal of each other. So -1 reciprocal of 1 is 1, right? So can I say that gradient of AB is equals to -1? Yes or no? Yes. Are we able to calculate the gradient of AB by using the coordinates y2 minus y1 -6 minus m over n minus 2 equals to -1? Is this clear? So now -6, अगर मैं इसका माइनस कॉमन ले लूं न्यूमरेटर का, या चलो छोड़ो, -6 minus m equals to n multiplied by -1 minus n, -2 multiplied by -1 plus 2, n towards left, n minus m equals to 6 towards right, 8. Are you clear? This is equation 2. Can I say that n equals to, can I say that n equals to 8 plus m? Replace in equation 1, m plus 2, 8 plus m equals to -11, m plus 16 plus 2m equals to -11, 3m equals to 16 minus 11 is, sorry, 16 plus 11, 27 with minus sign. So what is the value of m? -9. So what is the value of n? Replace in equation 1 or equation 2 anywhere. So the n is 8 minus 9 minus 1. So these are the values of m and n. Are you clear? Any confusion? This we have done is question number 11, right? Now, question number 12 from your coordinate geometry file. It is 970911 May June 15. The line with gradient -2 passing through the point this intersect the x-axis and y-axis at B. फिर डायग्राम स्केच करते हैं। एक लाइन है एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस को टकरा रही है। Again, the line is like this, right? Line having gradient -2. Line having gradient -2 passing through a point 3t and 2t. Let's say I'm writing here P, which is 3t and 2t. Intersect the x-axis and y-axis at A and B. Find the area of the triangle AOB. Find the area of the triangle AOB. How can we calculate the area of the triangle? How can we calculate the area of the triangle AOB? इसके लिए हमारे पास कोऑर्डिनेट्स होने चाहिए ए और बी। क्या होने चाहिए? कोऑर्डिनेट्स। For finding out the equation of any line, what we need? A coordinate from where the line crosses and gradient, right? So we have the gradient, we have the coordinate, but in terms of t. So no issues. I'm using the formula y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 2t equals to m minus 2. X minus x1 is 3t. So y minus 2t equals to minus 2x plus 6t and y equals to minus 2x plus 8t. This is the equation of the line. Now for A, if I replace y0, अगर y0 है, तो what is the value of x? Minus 8t divided by minus 2. So it will be 4t, 0. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या आ गए? 4t, 0. ऐसा ही ऐसा ही फॉर बी, इसके लिए हमें किसको 0 रखना पड़ेगा? x को। तो जनाब y क्या बन गया? 80। y क्या बन गया? 80। ये आपके पास कोऑर्डिनेट्स आ गए। एनी कंफ्यूजन? नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द एरिया। एरिया इक्वल्स टू हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट। Base is this 40 means this is 40 and height is 80. So 40, 80, 16t squared is the area of the triangle. आ रही है बात समझ? कोई कंफ्यूजन हो गया था सॉल्व? Now, second, the line through P perpendicular to AB. The line through P perpendicular to AB. Okay. The line through P perpendicular to AB show that intersect the x-axis at C. Intersect the x-axis at C. Okay. अभी करते हैं। लाइन थोड़े से मैं सही बना। Intersect the x-axis at C. Let's say the line is this. Here is perpendicular to AB, intersect the x-axis at C. Now, here, आपसे कहा गया show that the midpoint of PC lies on the line y equal to x. कैसे होगा चेक करते हैं? First of all, we have to calculate the equation of PC. अगर देखो हमारे पास C के कोऑर्डिनेट्स होते ना, तो मिड पॉइंट निकालते प्रूव हो जाता कि y इक्वल टू x पर। लेकिन अभी C के कोऑर्डिनेट्स नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ C। एंड हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ C? PC लाइन की इक्वेशन बनाइए और x एक्सिस के साथ साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व कर लीजिए, क्योंकि कल आपको बताया था जहां दो लाइंस इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व कर ले, कोऑर्डिनेट आ जाएगा। सही हो? हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन PC? डू वी हैव द ग्रेडियंट ऑफ रेड लाइन AB, yes, minus 2. So what is the gradient of this blue line? 1 upon 2 negative reciprocal, because this blue line is perpendicular to the red line. So by using y minus y1, again, y1 is 2t equals to gradient half x minus x1. x1 is 3t. 2 cross multiply 2y minus 4t equals to x minus 3t. So 2y equals to x plus t. 2y equals to x plus t. आ रही है बात समझ जनाब? ये इक्वेशन आ गई किसकी? लाइन पीसी। सी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालने के लिए अगर मैं y को 0 रख दूं इसमें, तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? माइनस टी। एक्स की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? माइनस टी। अब आप देखिए स्केचिंग है, इस वजह से माइनस टी यहां पर आ गया। मजीद आगे चल रहे हैं जनाब। अब सी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी मौजूद हैं, टी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी मौजूद हैं। अगर मुझे मिड पॉइंट निकालना है किसका? पी और सी का, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3t माइनस टी डिवाइडेड बाई 2। 3t माइनस टी इज 2t एंड 2t डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज, मैं लिख देता हूं, 3t माइनस टी डिवाइडेड बाई 2। सेकेंड 2t plus 0 divided by 2. So the midpoint is 2t over 2 is t. Shown. What we have to prove? We have to prove that y equals to x, and here y equals to x. X is t, y is also t. This we have to prove, right? Now, question number 13. What we have in question number 13, the point, it is 970912 May June 15's question. The point C lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line joining AB. C also lies on the line parallel to AB through this. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. Okay. First, I am making a diagram. Now, the point C lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line joining AB. Here it is A. Here it is B. C lies here on the perpendicular bisector. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. How can we calculate the equation of perpendicular bisector of AB? First, we have to calculate the midpoint. So, for the midpoint will be 4 plus 10, 14. Divided by 2 is 6 plus 2, 8. Divided by 2 is, now calculate the gradient of AB. Calculate the gradient of AB. It will be 2 minus 6 divided by 10 minus 4. 2 minus 6 is minus 4 over 6. It will be minus 2 over 3. Therefore, the gradient of perpendicular bisector is 3 over 2. By using the formula y minus y1, midpoint के coordinates equals to m x minus x1 7, 2 cross multiply 2y minus 8 equals to 3x minus 7 3s are 21 and 2y equals to 3x 81 minus 8, sorry, 21 minus 8, 13 minus 30. This is the equation of perpendicular bisector. Any confusion? Is this clear? Now, after that, calculate the coordinates of C. The condition is, another condition for C is, C also lies on the line parallel to AB. C also lies on the line parallel to AB through 3, 11. This line passes through 3 and 11. We have to calculate the coordinates of C. बेटा सी के कोऑर्डिनेट्स कैसे आएंगे? दो लाइंस टकरा रही साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करने से आ रहे हैं. We have the equation of perpendicular bisector. Now we are calculating the equation of blue line. What is the gradient of this blue line? Same as the gradient of AB, because this blue line is parallel to the AB line, right? So now, in the second part, by using y minus y1, using this 311, the gradient is minus 2 over 3. X minus x1, x1 is 3. 3 cross multiply 3y minus 33 equals to minus 2x plus 6, and 3y equals to minus 2x plus 33 or 6, 39. This is the equation of blue line, and the equation of perpendicular bisector is 2y equals to 3x minus 13. 2y equals to 3x minus 13. According to this, y is minus 2x plus 39 over 3. According to this, y is 3x minus 13 over, equate both y's, minus 2x plus 39 over 3 equals to 3x minus 13 over 2. 2 cross multiply, 2 2s are 39 multiplied by 2 is 78 equals to 3 multiplied by 3 is, and 3 multiplied by 13 is, so 9x plus 4x is 13x. 78 plus 39 is 1. Divided by 13 is x is 9. What is the value of y? The value of y is, किसी भी equation में आप रख सकते हैं. When x is 9, so 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 13 divided by 2 is 7. So the coordinate of C के coordinates क्या आ गए? 9, 7. Are you clear? Any confusion?